Today we're at the EMBL facilities and we're experimenting with cloning genes and DNA.
So we learned a lot of new stuff today, which is going to be really helpful for our AP Biology exam and just in general for our life and for our future studies. We learned how to do on-hand lab work for gel electrophoresis and how to clone DNA using bacteria. It was really cool, and it was really nice collaborating with researchers outside of the school to learn these hands-on practices that we don't really get to do in school.
I think it's a really great opportunity to use different equipments that we can't really use at school, and then we get to learn practical experiments that we can't really learn from the textbooks. And I think it's really great to do it as a continuous experience for a few weeks.